First thing we need to do is disable the internal battery. To do this, we just need to disconnect the power adapter, power on the system, and tap F1 to enter the BIOS. Once in the BIOS, we can use the arrow keys to navigate to the config menu, then down to the power menu and press enter. Then we need to navigate to the disable built-in battery option, press enter, assure that yes is highlighted, and press enter one more time. Now the internal battery is disabled. Now we're going to remove the removable battery. To do this, we just need to slide the switch marked with a 1 to the unlocked position, and then hold the switch marked with a 2 to the unlocked position, slide the battery out of the bay, and remove it. Now we're going to remove the keyboard. To do this, we first need to loosen 2 captive screws. Now we're going to slide the keyboard away from the palm rest, lift up on the front edge, and then flip the keyboard over. Now we're going to disconnect the keyboard cable and the touch point cable. Now remove the keyboard. Place the keyboard face down onto the palm rest. Now we're going to connect the keyboard cable and the touch point cable. Now we're going to flip the keyboard over and insert the top edge underneath the bezel. Then we're going to slide the bottom edge towards the palm rest. Now we're going to tighten 2 captive screws. Now we're going to insert the removable battery to the bay and slide it in until the switches lock into place. To enable the internal battery, all we need to do is connect the power adapter.